time to leave again. I've had a great night. I drank wine. I was very drunk. I watched 2 movies and then South Park, I think. Yeah, I don't remember very well. So I slept until 10 a.m. Now I'm packing up everything. It always takes so long to pack up, but well, it's not that far to the ferry, so I'm gonna go to Braskens, then take the ferry to Vlissingen, and then I'll go further, and I think to Vere or to Rennes or so. It isn't that far. I'm very happy I've passed Knokke yesterday, because it is a very hard thing to pass, because it all looks alike. It is bigger than you would think, and it's not easy to find your way out if you want to go to Holland, because there's no signs direction Holland or so. So I'm very happy that I've made it here. It was the perfect spot to camp. The farmer just came with his tractor, you can hear it maybe, but I don't mind. I'm in nobody's way. So packing up and then go further. I'm ready again. It's almost 12 o'clock, I think. I don't know. So this is the place where I slept, and it was a great place. It's really a good place here. I loved it. So for everybody who wants to wild camp, don't leave no litter. It's very clean here, and I want to keep it this way. So now let's go to Braskens. It's going great, but I need something to eat, so I'm gonna eat an orange. The wind is from there, so this direction it's a little bit backwind, so it's very easy to ride. I'm listening to Pink Floyd. I'm having such a smile on my face. It's very good cycling roads. England, you can learn something from this. So eat something and then to Braskens. It's only 10 kilometers from here, so I'll be able to do a lot today. So now I'm going to the first dam to go to the first island. I'm still having wind in the back, so it's very good. It's not too cold also, and it is very pretty over here. It's a very beautiful town, very calm, beautiful buildings. It's worth a visit. I've stayed here a few times, but this time I'm gonna go further. Look at that. I'm at a camping in the Rennes. It was very expensive, 18 euros. I had to pay 22 euros, but I get 4 euros back for a card. I'm very happy to be at a camping because I'm very tired and the weather is really looking bad. I think it's gonna rain, so I better put up my tent good and quickly. I went to the Jumbo here in Rennes to buy a kip saté broodje because I didn't find it in the AHA because they don't sell it anymore. Oh, my stomach, oh my god. I'm gonna have such a day at the toilet. Oh my god, my stomach is so messed. So put up my tent. Oh, it was such a pretty girl at the reception. So pretty, so sweet, so nice. Oh, my heart was broken again, like so many times. So I'm gonna put up my tent here, so I'm out of the wind and relax because I need it, and take a shower and just watch a movie. I've got beer, I've got wine from yesterday left because I couldn't drink the whole bottle. It was weeks since I had drunk alcohol, and I think I better not have drank that because I think my stomach is bad because of that. Hello, there's my neighbor. So I'm gonna put up my tent and be happy. I'm back in my tent and it started to rain just at the moment when my tent was up. So it was a good decision of mine to stop here because I wouldn't like the rain while riding my bike. Man on the Moon and Laffer. Love this movie. It's great.